Assembly instructions. Open the commode bucket frame A and place on the floor. Secure the cross brace in place by inserting each end into the two fastener receptacles located on the front of the frame. The push buttons will audibly click in place when they are secure. Insert the backrest B into the upright receptacles located on the back of the frame A by depressing the push buttons and sliding the backrest into place. The push buttons will audibly click in place when they are secure. Note: the backrest should curve outwards away from the seat. If installed backwards, the toilet seat will not open completely. Attach the toilet seat C and the cover D to the back of the frame. The toilet seat clasps should fit inside the clasps on the cover and will fasten into place with a noticeable click. Raise the seat C. Take the lid off of the bucket E and lower the bucket into the frame. Before using, adjust the height of each leg to your specific needs, making sure all legs are at the same height. Make sure the legs are locked into place by aligning the push buttons into the proper holes. The push buttons will audibly click in place when they are secure.